anaconda, count a whole lot of, keep me some cash, cool matata, whipping it jag, this not a monster. I need some air, who got a dollar, who got a problem, hit all the pins, who got the chop, what's to the game.
And this is the King Boy China here. We out here today at the Ballot Park, man, doing a little bit of, checking out these rides out here, man. And these guys got they do it loud, like it's crazy loud. Got a Maxima here on 24, y'all see it, 10 watts. Oh yeah, he clean. Got the doors done. See, got the whole 9 yards, I see. Got my boy Laz right here. This dude right here. Hey, one of the loudest Impalas around, shoot. Hey, see, that's like a beat now. Yeah, he loud now, shoot. Especially that system you got. You got some pressure up in the mud. Oh, you ain't got nothing done to this to scat, yeah, ain't you? I got 12 got 12 back there. And that's money right there. Get the scat. That mud clean too. You gonna race this car? Huh? You gonna do any racing with it?
Man, it ain't gonna be worth a lot of money.
Yeah, you're right. Dodge ain't really making them no more.
Yeah, they got this young.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I got the little old school 12 now.
Right,
They make a little noise.
Make a little noise. I see.
You know anybody want to buy 10? What's up, brand new?
10 is that.
So I got a Magna on that too.
That's an audio.
$40.
Ain't it? A Lenzo or something?
No, that's an audio lead.
Oh, audio lead.
I had it here at first because I was using that box. I put a little cutout on it.
Yeah.
They did all right, but I put 12 back in there, made a big difference.
Yeah, maybe.
Hey, somebody want it, $40, they can have it.
Yeah. So I got 210 at the house right now that I need to sell myself.
I mean, 10's all right, man, but you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
If you got the room, you got 12, you just can't beat a 12. Man.
You got the room to put a 15 back there, really.
Cuz got 2 15s on the channel.
Heck yeah, put you like a, I don't know if you want to go crazy big with it. You put, EVL or something like that. Something like that.
Yeah, I'm trying not to do anything to it. All I'm going to do is some exhaust.
Yeah.
I know I'm going to put 2 Dynamax race bullets on it. Man.
Yeah.
I might put, depending on how it sounds, I know I'm going to change the tips out.
Yeah.
I might need a factory muffler.
Yeah. 17, you usually just see a scratch or something on that thing. That look like it just came out the showroom floor.
Oh, man.
He ain't do them, he set up all day. I know it's like that song on that look like it ain't never been really just drove. I mean, hey. That shit ain't got no scratch or nothing on it. It called it like it came out the showroom floor. Even that spoiler, look at it. A lot of guys, you see that spoiler be all scraped up. He ain't drive this car more. He drive the car
if he did tear it up, he fixed it. He said it.
Yeah, an old man just want another Mopar. He probably been in Mopars. He probably got older challenges too. A lot of them old guys be buying new challenges.
He traded this in for a truck because he got to the point where he wanted something that was easy to get out of it.
Yeah.
So he said give him 26 for it.
Man, 26, that son I gave it. Them call 40, 50,000, 40,000 now. 40-something thousand. For that year, money I know was about 40-something thousand. Because the Mustang is still running 17 still running 30-something, 35, 33. I seen one other day for 39.
Yeah, but they all high miles.
Yeah.
The only one I seen, I'm paying V6 prices for this.
Yeah.
The only one I seen that was matching numbers with V6s and scat pads at almost 100,000 miles.
Yeah, but the scat pad though, it's a higher end of the RT. So you can't really compare a regular GT Mustang with a scat pad. You have to compare the 350 with it. Mm-hmm. So that's really like a higher trim next to almost to the Hellcat. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's a hey, your 350 gonna cost you 50, Mustang for that same year model. So, yeah.
It's straight. I end up adding all the Challengers headlights were from 15 to 23, V6 or whatever, they all the same.
Yeah.
I took the little light tube in there and off another one and put it in there because all the parts are both of them.
Yeah, it's 99. Yeah. Is it 6-speed or automatic?
It's
automatic. Yeah, he didn't. Oh yeah.
Dang. Look at
that. That's crazy, man. Like even the seat, like this is the car seat. They usually be ripped for people getting in or the start something. Yeah, he didn't drive this car at all. He didn't drive this car. Yeah. I bet that's something to get on now too. Scat pad.
He on the scat pad, they tell you how fast the been at. He had about 164.
He ain't flying.
Yeah, he
Shit.
top out at 175.
I know I got my Trans Am. I think I got it up to. I got a 140 one time, man. But the suspension of it, that thing get light when you get that fast. You can feel it.
I did 130, man. I did the whole dasher, man.
Yeah.
When I was going down here. Mine's still factory, so
Yeah.
93 transmission lock you out of fourth when you got the foot to the floor.
Yeah. Nigga don't make a good fix V6 though. It's all the forms got good V6 like BMW stuff.
It is.
Yeah, Mega don't make a good V6.
It is.
Now the only I tell you what,
Fiat
take that
made
back.
360.
The Fusions, the Ford with the EcoBoost, then they running now. Oh, the Fusion run.
When they used to come out without the EcoBoost, my sister had one when they
Yeah.
first came out.
Talking about that old
The 3.5, that Fusion run. Hell yeah.
I swear, every man, that motherfucker church tire first through by third gear. I promise you.
Yeah, them Fusion running now.
Yeah, they run good.
Dude had a Daytona with I think Daytona come out the 570 in him or something. He had a Charger. He raced the Fusion, man. Man, that Fusion probably ran off him from hitting that light pole out there, man. Just gapped him. Just run off and leave. Yeah, he had the EcoBoost, like the turbo one on it. Yeah. Yeah, they running now.
You know, Lamborghini helped make a lot of Dodge motors. That's where the Viper motor come from.
Yeah, that V10.
If I ever buy a Dodge, that's what I want right
That's
there.
it.
You don't ever see them right
nah.
there.
See, that's what I want, but I knew that I can get this with a low payment versus a Viper.
Yeah.
Right.
$35,000, I can get a Viper.
Really?
They third gen, fourth gen, they ain't really that expensive. Depending on if you get an ASR or like a Mambo or limited edition, you can get one 95, 30,000. You know what I'm saying?
come right here.
Smoke the bitch cause she a nigga, you know what I'm putting down. Might be smoke the bitch until you make 100. Don't come out. Person like run me the sack, but don't step out of bounds. You wanna be with me, but bitch, I need you out of town. Need to be She the one that told me, run out with my money.
I can make a check in my sleep. I stay in my lane like a street.